Watch what happens when I step inside this planter. Press your hand against the board. Connect the short panel. Don't over-tighten until the end. Do the same for the other side. Now connect the other long panel. Remember, don't tighten the screw until the end. Make sure press the board with your hand when connecting the side. Now put in the bottom planks. After put in the planks, we can tighten all the screws. Now for the test. Align the top trims and hammer the nail into finish. Spring starts here. Order yours today, DannyCustomWork.com.